The new and modernized chart feature within the Infront Professional Terminal now gives you greater access to curve charts, making it easier for you to plot a yield curve and analyze it in a visual and simplified manner. After choosing any fixed income or FX instrument you want, simply right-click and choose Curve Chart, and the Infront Professional Terminal will automatically plot the yield curve for all underlying tenors belonging to that instrument. This modernized version ensures that the 3 simplified menu icons are easier than ever to use. Within Setup, you can not only customize your chart through visuals such as changing the chart title or the grid lines, but you are now able to delve into the curve details and see exactly what instruments create the curve. You can easily customize this feature by adding or deleting instruments relevant to you. The Show Hide Chart Cursor icon allows you to see cursor values presented in the top left of the chart, which displays the nearest tenor and values for that cursor. The Add Curve from File icon streamlines your workload, as we have pre-populated a handful of popular peer comparisons to quickly and easily identify contrast or correlation. And of course, each curve chart can be saved for you to revert to whenever you need. It really is that simple. Infront Professional Terminal. Try the curve chart function today.